Shikar here, and today I'm gonna show you that how you can make healthy version of samosa. So this is whole wheat baked samosa in kadai. So let's jump into the kitchen. But before that, if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing and press that bell icon for regular updates. So first switch on the flame, and I'm adding 1 dried red chili into 2 tablespoons of mustard oil. Next I'm adding about 1 cup of chopped onion, sauteing it for 20 seconds. After that, I'm adding 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and 2 tablespoons of tomato puree, mixing it up. Next, I'm going to add the dry spices: 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder, and salt to taste. Now, I'll cook it up on low flame for the next 2 to 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, I'm adding the mashed potato. Here I took 2 medium-sized potato. You can use paneer instead of potato. That will be even more healthy version. Now it's been 2 minutes. Now I'm adding about half cup of water and we'll stir it up for the next 1 minute. It's been 1 minute and you can see this is done. Now I have kept it very basic. You can add boiled peas or even peanuts. So our filling is ready. So for making the dough, here I have added 1 cup of whole wheat. Next is 1 teaspoon of turmeric, salt to taste, pinch of baking soda, and 1 teaspoon of garam seed or ajwain. Next is oil. Here I am adding 1 tablespoon of mustard oil. You can use any vegetable oil. Now you can skip turmeric, that is optional. I'm using that for having an illusion of fried samosa. So next I'm adding chilled water, about half cup of chilled water, and we'll make the dough. And here is a dough. Dough is ready. You can see this is a hard dough and we need a dough to be hard. Next, take the dough and divide it into 2 equal parts. So now I'm taking the first part and I'll further divide it into 3 to 4 parts. Now this is the first one. I'll shape it like we do usually while making paratha or chapati. Now sprinkling some flour, we are going to roll it out. So here I'm coating it with some flour, and with the help of a rolling pin I'm trying to roll it out. Now keep it in mind, we want it to be oval, not like round. This is done, you can see. Now take a knife, run it through the middle. Basically we need to cut it into 2 halves. We will be making 2 samosas out of these. Now next I'm applying some water at the edges so that it will be easier to stick them. Now take this part and fold it in the way I'm showing you. So I'm bringing the 2 parts and pressing them gently so that there will be no gap. And yeah, our cone is ready. Into that I'm going to add the filling, and next is the trick. So we have to pinch it at the middle. You can see I'm pinching it and I'm pulling it together. And next just press the sides. There should not be any gap. So now I'll show you that it will stand on its own. You can see. So rest of the samosas are ready. Now I'm brushing some oil so that the outer portion will be well moist but crispy. So brushing up of the oil is done. Now here I'm taking the cake mold. Into that I'm placing the samosas. I'll keep it in my preheated kadai for the next 20 to 25 minutes. Now it's been 25 minutes, let's check it out. Yeah, our samosas are ready, and you can see due to the turmeric we have got a very nice golden color which is giving the illusion of fried samosas. So our healthy version of samosa is ready, and you can see how crispy this is. So isn't it amazing? Please give it a go at your kitchen and do subscribe to my channel for such recipes. Thanks for stopping by. See you again.